Hello guys, welcome to the JavaScript tutorial. Previously we have discussed data types, control flow, function, hoisting, objects, and you can see the list of the topics here. So today we'll discuss about class.
We just create the object from the constructor function. Instead of doing that we can use the class. तो हम लोग क्लास से भी ऑब्जेक्ट बना सकते हैं. So a newly like ES6 में इंट्रोड्यूस हुआ है. So how we'll do that? Just simply class keyword, same concept. We'll give the uh, class name with the capital letter, starting with capital letter. And in here I'm just calling a constructor. JavaScript automatically calls the constructor method when we instantiate an object. जब हम लोग कोई भी ऑब्जेक्ट क्रिएट करेंगे फ्रॉम दिस क्लास देन ऑटोमेटिकली इट विल कॉल द कंस्ट्रक्टर. चेक करते हैं हम लोग. विल जस्ट डू दिस चेक. कंस्ट्रक्टर इज कॉल्ड. ओके. अब हम लोग ऑब्जेक्ट बनाते हैं. लेट एम इक्वल्स टू सेम न्यू कीवर्ड and we are giving the class name. You can see. Okay, now we'll see what is happening. This class path. So it is showing the constructor is called. That we are instantiating the movie name, then it's just by default it's calling the constructor method. Here we can initialize the properties. ठीक है. जो properties हम लोग initialize कर सकते हैं पे कर सकते हैं. जैसे मैं वही पे भी सेम चीज किया था. this dot movie equals to movie and this dot actor equals to actor. ठीक है. ए पे movie and actor को हम लोग ऐसे define कर लेते हैं. then we'll just provide Kalki and Amitabh. Okay, now you can see. So basically constructor is called, but if we'll console the aim, then we can see what is happening. Okay, the aim also giving an movie name object with the movie and actor, so it is fine as the constructor function. Okay, in the constructor function what we are doing. So in the constructor function when we just define printcast function. So there itself, like when you just created the m1 or m object, it was calling the printcast from the same location, right? So how can we achieve the same thing in the class? Simply we can just call this printcast method from here itself, like return this dot actor, then the movie name. Okay, yeah. So if we'll check aim right now, then we can see what is happening. See, it's giving movie name, but we are not able to see the printcast because the printcast is not a own property of this m object, but we can call it. If you do call it, then we can get the output Amitabh custodian Kalki. Okay, but we can check like, okay, m has own property. इसका प्रॉपर्टी चेक कर लेते हैं भाई. मूवी इसका ओन प्रॉपर्टी है कि नहीं. विल चेक इट. या द मूवी इज ओन प्रॉपर्टी इज ट्रू. सो हम लोग अभी प्रिंट कास्ट चेक कर लेंगे इसका ओन प्रॉपर्टी है कि नहीं. see it's giving false. That means the concept is same. Okay, if we want to some private or public field in the class, then how can we declare it? Age. I just given the age. Okay, so this is the public field we can access from the m dot age. M dot age, right? Now this is so now I didn't initialize the age value. Okay, we can do this also here. This dot age equals to age. If I'll pass here age, then if I give 81, then what will we can see the m dot age is 81, right? So it's fine. So now this is age. But if I want to age as a private field, then I have to give the has sign before the name. So if we want to make the age as a private field, then we can just give has sign before the field, and you can see when you are trying to access, age is not showing here. If you'll try to access also, it will give us undefined, right? The same thing, if we want to make the method as a private method, then we just give this has sign, and if we'll try to access the printcast, simply if you call this printcast method from here, it will throw an error like printcast is not a function because I just make it as a private field. Okay, so just like the in other language, for the class, the getter and setter method is there. In JavaScript also introduce this set and get. I'll just show you with some example. See, in the class I just declared one public variable name one. In here I just assigned the name is Sarfira. Then in the set I just setting the name one again, and in the get I just returning the name one value. So now if I'll check what is giving m, let's see, m is just providing this movie name object with this name one variable. Okay, it's correct. But if I want to set something like m dot movie title, okay, I'm giving here Kalki. Now I'll see what is happening with the m. See, the name one Kalki has been logged here. It is going inside this set method. Now how can I access this movie name, right? I just simply call this movie title. That's all. See, it is giving Kalki. So basically, when you do the set, simply assigning the value to the set method, and you just trying to get, just call that get method. That's all. Hope you guys understood. If you guys don't understand, please let me know so that I can help you out. Thank you for watching the video.